So pretty much the same exact steps. Step 1, isolate. In part A, we are already isolated. So since we're isolated, this is where we make the judgment is if this is an and or an or statement. We are less than a number. So what type of statement is this? And. So the first one is like you never had absolute values. The second one, you negate what's inside those absolute values. And now we're back in 8-4. So for the left-hand one, I'm going to subtract 1. Divide by 5. And for the second one, I'm going to add 1. Divide by negative 5. And then just remember that salt and pepper song, Ah, Flip It. Because I think that was about inequalities. Draw your number line. Do your shading. Here's 6/5. Left or right? Left. Including or not including? Not including because there's no equal sign. Yeah. And here's negative 8/5. Left or right? Also not including. So where are we overlapping? Because and says, where do they overlap? Negative 8/5 up through. Good, not including. Hooray! Answer. All right, part by, what do we got to do first? Isolate. If you guys said left early, we would have left early, but no one said it. Oh well, that was your chance. We're going to add 8 first. And then what? Divide. Very good. If you would, break it up, draw your number line, find your answer. By the way, is this an and or an or statement? Or. Questions on solving individual inequalities. All right, 5 halves, left or right? Right? Bracket or parenthesis? Negative 13 halves, left or right? Bracket or parenthesis? We have disjoint, but that's okay because we have or. What's the first set? How left does it go? So how far right? 13 halves. Bracket, union, someone else? Bracket. Good. Good. What should we do first? What? Add 3. Then what? multiply by 5. All right. Break it up. And or statement. Good. Solve each individual inequality. We'll add 1, divide by 3. We'll subtract 1, divide by, give me 1 second, I want to get rid of that dot. Divide by -3. Number 9. 26 to the left. Bracket. Is that okay? I guess that's okay. I don't know if there was a carbon monoxide leak that I didn't know about. Everyone just got really sleepy. -8, left or right. Also with a bracket. We've got an and. So what's our final answer? Top 2.